Welcome to Omnitech. Today we're going to learn how to make a bootable USB for Windows, which means you will create a USB that will be able to install Windows on a computer. And let's begin. We will use Rufus since it's the best small software for creating bootable USB media for Windows. In this case, we're going to use a Windows 10 as an example, but the working method is exactly the same for any Windows version. Let's find where we put our ISO image. It's right here. It's just one of those ISO images that you can download at any time. And let's click open. On Rufus, in here you select your USB where you want to install it. In this case, I'm not going to download. In this case, I'm going to install it on this USB. I called it BIOS, but it doesn't contain any BIOS. It's a 16 gigabyte, which is more than enough for what I'm looking for. Usually on Windows 10, you leave it at UEFI. But if you have a legacy media, it will give you other options. You leave everything as is right here. You click start. It will ask you if you are sure that you want to do it, because all data on that USB device will be lost. You hit OK, and you wait for it to finish. After the process is done, you will see this window here that just lets you know that you created a UEFI bootloader, which you must disable secure boot on the computer you are willing to install Windows, and it doesn't matter in this time. We click close. You will see on this green scheme here that says ready. At this moment, you click close. Remove your USB, and your USB is now ready to be inserted onto your new computer and install Microsoft Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you on the next time. We'll learn how to make a bootable USB media for Linux or Ubuntu. Bye!